Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Mermaid Romy from Barbie and the Secret Door in Trust and Press without VIP. Okay guys, to create this look, you need all these items, and then you can use this outfit to join the special mermaid round and Trust and Press. When you join the special mermaid round, you will automatically get this mermaid tail and also this item, and then you're going to color it with this purple color. Okay, you can color it like this, and for this one you're going to color it purple and blue for the second selection for the fins. And then for the hairstyles, you can choose this one, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then you can put on this flower crown. You can remove the spikes, and then you're going to make it this color for the flower crown and combine it with this flower, make it purple. And then you're going to put on this skirt. You can choose to go 5, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then put on this flower top. You're going to apply this color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this dress. You're going to choose the dress, and you're going to apply the same purple color. And then this flower, make it like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this top from the free mermaid set, and you're going to make it purple. And when you have applied all these items, you will get this Mermaid Romy look from Barbie and the Secret Door. And I hope this look will help you win in the special mermaid round in Trust and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!